Hey loves, it's Lavishly Britt, and today I'm bringing you all my husband's natural hair care routine. But first, let me introduce you all to the love of my life. You can call him Bully, Mr. Williams, but I call him Baby. Check out his YouTube channel, Bully Juice, if you're trying to get fit, and that goes for the ladies and gentlemen. But now that I've given him some love, let's just hop into this.
Trendsetter, I got style for you. Ain't seen you at the top, it's been a while for you. Big you up and they look down on you. Take one loss, no one's around for you. I won't stop, no. I won't stop,
But first, let me give you all this one disclaimer. Yes, we are in the shower. If you look at the numerous amounts of hair videos on my channel, you will see that I am a shower hair washer. My husband is too. If you didn't know, my husband literally has his shirt off in majority of his fitness videos. And please, do not try to throw your insecurities on me.
You pussy could never.
So if you watched our old hair care routine, you may remember when my husband sprayed me with that cold water that comes out of that shower head first. Y'all know that be cold, like ice cold. Well, you know what they say, karma is up.
Don't put it on me, bro.
And I got my revenge.
Well, you got me last time, so I think it's fair.
See? Alright.
So first thing we do is give his hair and scalp a good rinse. My husband is in the military and works out daily, aka he sweats a lot. So a good rinse will help to break up any buildup and dirt.
baby. Get in my way now, don't be shy. We'll be here dancing day and night. Get in my groove now, don't be shy.
Now keep in mind, if you watch my other wash day videos, I'm usually a bougie, natural, and I'm the type that's doing the most. But I enjoy doing those things to my hair. Now my husband, he is the total opposite. So if you consider yourself a lazy natural, you will probably love his hair care routine. I had to make it super basic and easy to follow. So with that being said, my husband has been using this shampoo, Meyer Organics Rosemary Mint and Strengthening Shampoo, since he started growing out his hair about 3 months ago. And he literally probably has about another 2 to 3 months use out of it. A little goes a long way and he loves it. Isn't this so cute? As much as I like washing my hair in the shower and recording hair videos, I'd be so cold if I'm not in the water. So my husband was helping to keep me warm and keeping me from shaking like a salt shaker. But anyways, the shampoo gives a nice lather and it doesn't strip his hair. Now where I will opt to switch shampoos based upon the week and my hair needs, my husband could care less. He's going to use the shampoo until it is empty and then get some more. Where are my economical naturals at? I like to make sure I get a good scrub on his scalp because, let's admit it, we all love when someone else gives us a good old scalp rub down during the washing process. My husband's scalp is very prone to irritation, so it is important that we thoroughly rinse his scalp. Now, when I told y'all my husband likes to keep it simple, I meant it. So I got him the Meyer Organics Rosemary Mint Strengthening Hair Mask. This eliminates him from having to yell from the shower, asking me what he should use for his wash day. But like myself, after applying his deep conditioner, he will start his body care routine.
Out of luck and I ain't praying for a miracle. Cause you waited on, out of luck and I ain't praying for a miracle. Cause you waited on, out of luck and I ain't praying for a miracle. Cause you waited on.
So about 10 minutes later and he is done. His wash day literally takes a complete 30 minutes or less when he does it. I, on the other hand, like to give him a little TLC. So now it's time for a little rinse and something special. I wanted to prank my husband again, but I had to play it off by saying I wanted to film his wash day hair care routine. I'm gonna prank him with his own natural hair. So he has no idea that I'm even planning to do this right now. Like, he knows we're about to do his wash day routine and I'm gonna record it for a YouTube video. But he has no, it's about to get real, y'all. It's about to get real. He's currently giving Noel a bath. Wash on yet. So I bet he gonna start doing it today. Be on the lookout for that video soon. But back to the video so you can see how I finished his routine. We just finished washing his hair and I put a shower cap on him so he wouldn't have to walk around dripping wet, because y'all all know that is so annoying to deal with. My baby got inches, so I don't want to see none of them comments coming for him, okay? I'm talking to you and you. But anyways, we're gonna put these curls, wait, your hand's black. So we're going to be using this Curls Blueberry Mint and Tea Scalp Treatment. You know, we're trying to get my baby some more inches. So while we do that, we just gonna have a little conversation and just let it flow. How do you feel about growing your hair out this time, babe?
I mean, I've grown my hair out before. You know, you see my hair. It was definitely, you know, now that I know, it was definitely damaged, but you know, I didn't know what damage was because played football. You know, my mom would braid it up sometimes, and my hair got sweaty wearing that helmet a lot. So I would always like wash my hair almost like every single day, and I didn't know that was a bad thing. You know, I'm a dude. I don't really care. I'm in high school. I'm just trying not to have sweaty hair. You know, I'm growing my hair out, whatever. And afterwards,
like most men,
yeah. And then afterwards, after I would wash my hair, I would always blow dry it, like every time, every single time. So I'm pretty sure that's why my hair looked crazy. My hair looked crazy. Like, what's that dude named Don King?
Yeah. Can I insert a picture?
Do your thing, man.
So y'all gotta see what he looked like. Like, whew. My baby that came a long ways.
You trying to say I was ugly?
No.
But anyway, I used to blow. I had this little cool little, it was like a comb. It was a comb, but you plugged it up and it blew hot air out. You know, so I used to blow dry that joint every time. My mom would do the hot comb thing sometimes. Smell good.
Don't it like give you like that open your nose?
Nah.
No, to get
like
that?
Like Vicks?
Yeah, it's like.
Nah, not quite. It smell good though. It smell like bubble gum to me.
You don't smell the mint?
Sure. You want me to smell that mint, so yeah, I smell the mint.
Let's get this water out your face, babe.
Yeah, it's been dripping down my face the whole time, man.
Oh, not bad, my bad.
I'm tripping.
I know you don't like it. Alright, so I'm about to use one of my holy grails. If you didn't know, now you know. We're going to be using Meyer Organic Pomegranate and Honey Leave-In Conditioner.
So what's the purpose of the first one you put in my head?
So the first one is just to treat your scalp. So it's pretty much just to aid in hair growth, because we all know that products don't grow our hair, right? Yeah, it's just a scalp treatment though, because I'm big on giving your scalp some treatment. So as you saw, I massaged it in. Feel good, right?
Mm-hmm.
I like feeling his hair. It's just so good, beautiful. It's healthy. Like the first time we was growing his hair out, it definitely was not acting like this. Like, where did this head of hair come from? So I'm just going to apply this leave-in conditioner into his hair and massage it in really well, just because I like to make sure I get his hair really nice and moisturized. He does wash his hair throughout the week. Every now and then, maybe, what, you would say you wash your hair like twice a week?
Yeah, maybe 2-3 times a week, depending on how sweaty I get from working out and stuff.
Yeah, so usually I try to care for him at least like once a week, you know. That's a lot of wash days. Okay, I don't even wash my hair that much. So he had to learn how to care for his hair. So everything that I'm doing, he knows how to do.
I'm doing all that though.
Yeah, honestly, he lazy.
I wash it, I condition it, and that's it. Man, nobody got time for that.
In a relationship, babe, what do you think is the most important thing?
You already know my answer. Let's take a guess.
Communication.
Communication.
Do you not believe that comprehension is more important than communication?
I think they're one and the same. It's communication. Like, it's a part of communicating. When you're communicating, you have feedback, and then you have somebody that's actually giving the message. So
that makes sense.
when, like, if I'm having a conversation with you.
Now, like we mentioned in the video, my husband's weekly hair care routine is slightly different. I do this for him about once a week, and he handles his other wash days. If you would like to see how he maintains his hair throughout the week, then drop a comment below and let us know. But as always, remember, you're popping and you're beautiful, and we love you. And as always,